Hola! Hello everyone! We're going to make papas chorreadas. My twist is I'm going to use sweet potatoes instead of red potatoes. Sweet potatoes, papas chorreadas with chuleta valluna. So first step, we are going to cook the potatoes. I'm going to boil the potatoes. You can make it on the oven, but Andrew is going to peel the potatoes. We're going to cut it, boil it until it's fork tender. Papas chorreadas are part of everyday Colombian cooking. Traditionally, they're made with red potatoes and a creamy hogao. Here, sweet potatoes replace the classic potatoes and coconut milk replace the cream. The goal isn't to reinvent the dish, but to approach it differently. Peel and cut the sweet potatoes. And put in the water and let it boil. Sweet potatoes bring natural sweetness and a softer texture. The hogao stays balanced and savory. This is the base in what gives so many Colombian recipes their depth and character. Some examples of how we use hogao is over boiled or mashed potatoes. We add it to beans, lentils, and stews, rice dishes, grilled or pan-seared meats, soups, and like papas chorreadas, arroz con hogao, and guisos. Arepas, empanadas, we use it for everything. So I say we're going to make a Colombian dinner tonight. Papas chorreadas are the side dish. Now we're making the protein. We're making chuleta valluna. Now one of my favorite things in the world, chuleta valluna. It's a traditional dish from the Valle del Cauca region in Colombia. It's made with thin pork cutlets that are tenderized, breaded, and cooked until golden. The idea isn't heavy frying. It's about keeping the meat tender on the inside and crisp on the outside. It's been cooking like for 10 minutes in low, and now we're going to finish it. The traditional recipe goes with heavy cream. I add in coconut milk. Trust me, doesn't change the flavor at all. And instead of that, giving that creaminess, beautiful color. Details matter here, from how long the potatoes cook to how the hogao is built layer by layer and keeping the pork crisp. I'm curious, where are you watching from? It's always interesting to see how these dishes travel and connect with people in different places. Perfect with the pork. If you grew up with a version of this dish, I'd love to hear how it was cooked where you were from. Traditional dishes don't stay frozen in time. They change slightly depending on ingredients, place, and who is cooking. That is part of what keeps them alive.
Avocado oil.
Salud. It's so tender. Really melts in your mouth. That's it for today. So share, and subscribe because we have a goal. There's 1 million subscribers. So please help us. See you guys in the next video.